I'm Boglin. Boglin. Boglin.
Hi, how's it going? I'm Mr. Boglin. Welcome to another Boglin video. Now I've got something very special and somewhat rare to unbox for you today, but it does require a bit of backstory. So a friend of the channel sent me this promotion being run by Menkind, who sell Boglins here in the UK. So the rules are you go to the Menkind store in West London, buy any Boglin for normal price. You can then get it signed by Tim Clark, the creator of Boglins, and if you're one of the first 100 people through the door, they'll send you free of charge an exclusive 1 of 500 Boglin. And that's what I did. So the Boglin I chose to purchase was this very nice Red Eye King Drool, and looking at the top there you can see signed by Tim Clark 2021. Now when I met Tim Clark and got my Boglin signed, first I was given this very nice exclusive badge or pin, but most importantly I was given this special ticket which says that I'll receive my special rare Boglin in the post sometime before the end of October. And such proved to be the case, so we're back to the unboxing now of the box I received a few weeks later. So, cutting the tape. And there it is. A very handsome Boglin. Okay, so looking at my new Boglin now, what have we got? So you can see he's based on your standard Dark Lord Crazy Clown Boglin, except that he's orange and blue instead of blue and red. And you can see that the box is actually identical, apart from a little special sticker they stick on the bottom. And also this Boglin has a serial number of 53, so it's easy to believe that it's 1 of 500. And now for the actual unboxing of our Boglin. Now if you know anything at all about Boglins, you'll know that as soon as you unbox them, you instantly destroy about 90% of their value. But for this channel, that's a sacrifice I'm willing to make. So what I'm about to share with you now is the special Mr. Boglin unboxing technique. So what you want to do is just tease up the end of the little cable tie with a pair of tweezers, and then by sticking in a small screwdriver like this, you can just gently undo it. Then you can put it in an envelope and keep it in a special place. Then you want to turn the box around and use a screwdriver or something similar just to gently undo the two tabs on the back. And then opening up both sides. And there you can just carefully slide the Boglin out. Then you want to just carefully undo the plastic straps that hold down the Boglin's arms. Then you can just open the box up a bit and you're ready to remove the big plastic blob. Now it's not easy to remove, but you just have to pull as hard as you can basically, and it should come off eventually. Now there has actually been a huge amount of anger in the Boglin community about how difficult the big blob is to remove, and how you really can't remove it without some damage to the box. And I actually messaged Tim Clark on Instagram about the issue, and he said that they're actually going back to just holding the Boglins on with wire, which is nice to hear. And then the final step is just to attach his tail, which is quite easy. So the clear plastic part goes on the tail, attach it to the Boglin. You then put the big plastic blob on top and then just press it down until you hear a click. And that's the finished Boglin. So what's my review? Well, he's a very cute looking Boglin, I'd say. An attractive orange-blue colour scheme, nicely painted as well. Now I don't know if that tiny little hole's supposed to be there, or if it's a casting issue, but apart from that he does look pretty much perfect. No cavities, as you can see, which is very important. Okay, that's about it. This Boglin should be a great addition to the collection, so it's goodbye from the both of us. See you next time.